haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Today I'm going to make this super cute little journal that you can use for whatever you need to, so let's get to it. You're going to need regular printer paper, construction paper, jute, and a hole punch. I'm doing mine in a rainbow pattern, so I'm going to start with red, do 2 pieces of white paper, then orange, then 2 pieces of white paper, and then continue on with that pattern. Fold all of my pieces in half. Now I'm going to use my hole punch to punch 2 holes into my paper. We want to cut 2 pieces of jute that are long enough to tie a bow with, and we're going to loop that through all of the holes of our paper. Make it pretty by tying a bow. To help your pages not to rip when you open it, you can go ahead and fold the edges in and then flip it and fold it the other way, and just keep doing that until the pages are well worn and they won't rip as easily. To make mine more decorative, I went ahead and sketched out a little drawing on the front, and then now I'm going over it with an ink pen. Some finishing touches, so here it is. It's a fantastic little journal that you can use for a nature journal or whatever you want to do with it. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.